Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my holiday binder. I have $90 in prop money to work with. So let's get started. All right, we are starting off with Father's Day. So let's scratch this one. This one is created by Budget with Carly. Saves $40. Be proud of your progress. So I'm just going to scratch. I'm not even going to bother to roll. So we got a 4. Let's do one more. Oh, and another 4. So $8. So 5. Do I got $2? No. So 5, 7, and 8. And I already completed this challenge by Budget with Carly. This was 50. So I'm saving this one, which will be 40. So it'll be a $90 total. All right, we have the 4th of July. This is created by Bookish Mama Budget. Saves $50. And this is for the 4th of July. And this is a 7. All right, 5 and 7. All right. Next we have birthday, which is for my daughter. Her birthday is in July. This says $75, created by Janelle Ray Budgets. So let's do this one up here. Okay, that's a 2. I feel like we should do another one. She's already telling me what she wants for her birthday. She'd be turning 19. Let's go here. Okay, that's a 5. Okay, we get a lot of 7s today. All right. She already told me what restaurant she wants to eat at. I tell you. Oops. 5 and 7. All right. Thanksgiving. This is created by, excuse me, Janelle Ray Budge. Oh, we only got one left. And this says $55. Ooh, that is a hot 8. All right. So, do we got $2? Yes, we do. So let's put in a 10. And we should have 55. And we have 20, 40, 55. Yes. And gems, that is a completed challenge. And I have to get one to put in here, which I don't have one right now. All right. So let's put that back in here because I don't want to get it to mix up. So let's do Black Friday. Oh, we got one in this one too. This was created by Stuffing Budgets. Says 45. And that is an 8. Perfect. I didn't remember we was going to finish all these. Let's put 2 back and grab a 10. And this was 45, 20, 30, 45. And that is a completed challenge. I'm just going to put that back. Okay, we getting some money for Black Friday, Thanksgiving, moving on to Christmas. All right, we have the Scratch and Save book created by Cajangirlcreates on Etsy. And let's do this one up here. Oh, what's going on? Just take that on off. Oh, you can't. Oh, there you go. Okay. That is a 2. Perfect. And we're going to put the $2 in because we got a little while for Christmas. So no rush there. So let's put the $2 in. And let's go to here to summer vacations. And I think we still tossing up if we just gonna take a quick road trip for the summer this year, and next year we are deciding to take a cruise for my son's graduation. As his graduation gift, he wants to do a cruise. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun saving challenges for that for next year. Yes, we are. All right, so if you guys have any Etsy shops or any recommendations for some saving challenges for cruises, please let me know down below, because I want to get a head start on that. So let's roll. This is created by Bookish Mama Budgets, and we just going around the game board. We stopped here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is a 2. I feel like we should do that again. And that is a 2, 1, 2. Uh-oh, this is like a shocky shark. It is. And each shark is $5. So let's get a 5. So that is $7. So eventually we're going to scratch every single scratch off. I just want to roll the first time to see where we're going to land. And next we got What the Duck. And this is created by Snowgarter 307. And we got 2 more left. So this goes towards my month ahead and my emergency funds. So this is what the delay says, $40. So let's go here. And that is a 5. And let's go ahead and finish this one. And that is a 2, so $7. Gotta love those 7s. All right. 5 and come on now. 5 and 7. All right. So this page is complete. And once we finish this page, I will add it all up, and we will I will show you on my tracker where I'm at with that. So I'm not going to do this side yet. This is also like my catch-all. So let's see. We got enough to go back around, maybe halfway around. So let's go with Father's Day again. And we have a 2. And should I do one more? Let's do right here. Okay. So that is $5 again. So that was 5, 8. So that's 13 so far. So $5. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 more scratches. 4th of July. Let's do 1 on here. Ooh, let's see. That's a 10. Well, I guess you did give me a heads up. It's 5 through 10. You weren't supposed to come right now. So that's $10. All right, and we got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we still got a little money left. Let's do another one for birthday, because we finished Thanksgiving, Black Friday, right? Yeah, okay. So let's see. Let's go on this side. Ooh, there goes some big numbers. 7. All right. So 2, 4, 6, and 7. All right, that's finished. That's finished. All right, now we can do another one for Christmas. And let's do here. Look at these 7s. I tell you guys. God, what are you trying to tell me? I'm listening. All right, 7. Do you guys, I think I asked you this before, do you believe in angel numbers? Because I truly do. Sorry, I had to get that. That was just bothering. That was just itching my soul. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we almost finished with this page. All right, let's go back to the bugs. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, 7. See, another 7. Okay. Hey, Jones, God is telling me something, and I need to listen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So let's do. Should we do our last big bug and a butterfly? Or should we do? I think we should do that. Or should we do? Or should we do 1? Should we do 4, 5, 6, 7? Ew, I don't know. Which one should I do? Let's finish the big bug for 5. So we was doing a green. I don't remember which green. And this totals what? $48? Yeah, $48. Get in the lines. And I'm just outlining. So if I want to reuse this book again, when I play this, if I want to use this book again, I can just color the whole thing in. So, or if I want to use this page again. So that's 5, and we're going to do a butterfly. Let's do a pink butterfly. And that will be the $7. Oh my goodness, I can't stay in the lines for nothing. Oh, okay. So that is the $7. Oh no, I put that in the wrong thing. Oh, well, you guys stopping me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I was putting that in Christmas and not What the Duck. Oh dear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope I didn't do that on other challenges. Hope not. So yeah, so we just going to focus on this page and finish this one up, and then we will see where we at on our tracker for our emergency and month ahead. All right, Jones, that was $90 putting in here. We finished 2 challenges, which was Thanksgiving and Black Friday. I will put new challenges in those categories so we can keep on saving for those. And yeah, thanks everyone for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please feel free to subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Jills.